Today is the day I ride the beast. 2010 CBR 600RR. I picked this up on the last December 5th. This is what I want to show everyone, my friends out there. This is the title, not really the title, but this says 2010 Honda, and then it shows on the odometer right here. The odometer shows 3,355.00, okay? 3355. Now, well, if we turn the key on, let's turn the key on. You'll see that the odometer shows 3357, or 2 miles more than when I bought it. Because I did drive it over from my other house in the middle of winter, and I've waited 8 months. This is the middle of August, and I got it in December. So I'm going to go out and drive it. But to make this a special occasion, what I've done is I've taken my old helmet cam helmet, which I use on my gyro over here, and I'm going to attach the helmet right to or the camera right to here, excuse me, turn it on and hopefully record myself driving. It's very hard to do because if you're on the bike and you're leaning forward, as this is, you have to keep your helmet upward, in an upward position, in order to show the road down the street rather than right in front of the tire. So been lifting weights. I think it's gonna work out, and we're gonna give it a try. This is the first virgin ride for me on a 600RR. Wish me luck. Thank you.